The lemon drop is a classic cocktail design, but let's turn that around a bit with a slight variation called the passion fruit drop.
Brought to you by awesomedrinks.com. Check out learn.awesomedrinks.com to learn more about cocktails.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek, and this series is all about kickstarting your way into home craft cocktail mixology, becoming a home bartender. All free content for you to digest and consume. If you want to get a job in the cocktail industry, that's perfectly fine. I'm not going to stop you, but you could probably come back after you've done that and leave us a tip. You know, like patreon.com/CMC, and leave a modest donation on a monthly basis. That'd be awesome. But in the meantime, mash the like button. That's push it really hard, and subscribe to the show. Today we're going to make a passion fruit drop. Yeah, that's a thing. This cocktail recipe is going to include 1 ounce of 3 ingredients: passion fruit syrup, citrus vodka, lemon juice. Simple balance. We're also going to use a sugared lemon wheel just to add some flair to it. Otherwise, it's just boring. Shake it, strain it, throw it into a cocktail glass or a classic coupe glass, available at awesomedrinks.com. Exactly where you're going to go to pick up your Liber & Co. Tropical Passion Fruit anyway, so while you're there. So, simple build, shake, strain. Let's do this. Also, you can find this recipe along with all the other passion fruit cocktails from Course 3 at recipe.awesomedrinks.com. It's our recipe database. It's pretty cool. I developed it from the ground up, all my hard work. So, you know, use it. That way I feel like I did something that was worth somebody's time, including mine. So, 1 ounce of lemon, 1 ounce of passion fruit. And like I've said throughout the series of passion fruit cocktails, this stuff is fantastic. If you like passion fruit, one of the problems with passion fruit, and I'm a huge passion fruit advocate, is you go to the store, you pick them up, and you never know if it's going to be super tart and sour, and now you got to somehow mix it with some sort of sugar, because it's barely palatable. Or it has a luscious, sweet flavor. This is consistent. The Liber & Co. people do all that hard work for you. They take the passion fruit, they take the cane sugar, they build the drink, they add some gum arabic to give it that nice thickness that's going to make your drink taste like you've almost put an egg white in there. Citrus Vodka is next. 1 ounce. This drink doesn't really have any history with it, so it's not going to be like the Pieces of 8, which actually had something cool to talk about. But we can taste it and see how it is. Just regular ice, no crushed ice in this drink, no blending. Straight up, dope simple. I think I might have just shown my age. But I got an Apple Watch, so like, I'm kind of hip and cool. Shake it up! Give it a good 10-second, maybe 15-second shake. Get the dilution perfect. Watch our video on dilution to understand why that's important. And of course, if you've already watched Course 1 on learn.awesomedrinks.com, you understand how to use a shaker. That was a hidden, that was a veiled self-promotion if you haven't watched it, to go do that. Alright, step 1, make drink. See, that's a 4-ounce glass. Maybe even a 4.5-ounce glass, I can't remember. But there's only 3 ounces in this drink. The rest was the dilution. It matters. You want between 15 and 20% dilution. I don't know how I'm telling you that. Just watch the video. Alright, let's see how this works. I'm going to stick my lime, nope, I'm going to stick my lemon, I always get those confused, into my sugar to just candify it, if that's a word. Then, I'm going to add it right there. Now some of the sugar is going to fall in your drink. Who cares? Awesome. And the reason I decided to wait and do the sugar at the end rather than pre-garnishing is because the sugar is going to start to go clear as it gets kind of absorbed some of that lemon. So I wanted to make sure it still had a little bit of that crystalline shape around it. That way when you hand it off, it just looks fantastic. Let's give this a drink. Still got a good amount of sour to it though, which makes sense. A lemon drop is sour. This is going to get messy quick because I can see the sugar dripping off onto the table. But sometimes things just have to be done cool. If you don't want to mess, just don't sugar your lemon. This makes vodka interesting. Because the vodka, really, the citrus vodka doesn't have a lot of flavor outside of citrus. This is just highlighting your lemon and your passion fruit flavor, which passion fruit already has a lot of that sour tartness going in there with a little bit of that sugar, some of the sugar dripping in there. You get that little candified nature like a lemon drop would have, yet at the same time, that sour note, that passion fruit note just rings so loud, leaving everything else kind of in the dust. It's just all about your passion fruit with that little tart citrus zing from the lemon, and the vodka's there just to make it more of a party and not a mocktail. That's really what it does there. Next time we're going to create a 2 3/4 3/4 recipe. If you don't know what that means, you should be checking out our video all about 2-on-1 and some of the different cocktail ratios, obviously. That recipe is going to utilize dark rum. It's going to be kind of like a newbie's, a beginner style hurricane. Imagine a hurricane, a 3-component drink that's easy to build. Now, start your journey into the home cocktail craft, mixology, bartending. Go to your friend's house, have parties, serve these drinks, show them, highlight them the beauties of passion fruit. What you want to do is click right below to buy the bartender starter kit from awesomedrinks.com. If you've already got your starter kit because you've been watching courses 1 and 2, then you're ready to go into this course, which is all about course 3 in passion fruit. If you want to catch up, there's 2 video playlists on the sidebar, course 1 and 2, so you can figure out what you're missing and connect all the dots so that you can make a better cocktail. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.